Hello guys, this is Vikram, and today in this video we are going to create this beautiful intro as you have seen in the preview. So without any further ado, let's get started. All the links for the materials used in this video are linked in the description, so you can find it out there. Now open the kinemaster app and create a 16:9 file format. And as you can see, it consists of an A to Z alphabets in a fire preview. As you can see, and you also have a three main things which are a background, a smoke MP4 and then particles MP4. I have provided a separate link for the music as well. If you need the music which I have used in the preview, you can check it out there. Now import the background and zoom it a little bit. And extend its duration to 6 seconds. Now you can start importing the things. First of all, import the smoke MP4. And make it as full screen. And then change its blending mode to screen and reduce its opacity to around 65 to 70% as per your wish. Now you can start importing the fire text alphabets. I'm gonna use Danny as example for the illustration purpose. Starting off with the D alphabet, import it and change its blending mode to screen or lighten, but the lighten looks more vibrant in color, so I choose lighten. And you can reposition it and resize it. Now you have to do this same step for each and every alphabet that you're gonna use, so I'm just gonna fast forward this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. Once you have imported all the fire text, just resize it. And the next thing we are going to add is particles MP4. Import the particles MP4 and make it a full screen and change its blending mode to screen. I have compared it with lighten, but compared to lighten, the screen looks more visible, so that's why I choose screen and make it full screen. Now we are almost done. This looks good. Now send the smoke fog to the back side and bring the particles to the front side. And if you watch the preview, it looks good. Now in case if you want to change the color of this fire text, you can do that by downloading the color inversion effects in the asset store. For that you need to have a paid version of a kinemaster or a model version, so I'm using a model version in this video. So after downloading the color inversion, import it and reduce all the invert red, invert blue and invert green and extend it to the 6 second mark. Now click on that color inversion effect and go to settings, and you can see if you increase the invert mode, the color changes. So it has 4 or 5 color effects to choose from, so based on your wish you can choose your color. And after you finish this, let's move on to the music. I have used the Tamil songs BGM for this intro. You can use whatever you want based upon your wish. And after placing all these stuffs, we need to change one settings. Now go to the settings menu and turn on the audio fade in fade out and video fade in fade out, and change the duration to 1 second. And after you have done this, we are ready to export the video. Now let's start exporting. So that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.